fair, sweet friend. Summer comes toward you, which around Christmas sends you its flowers. And February comes, for Easter has returned. And winter flees, which is not pleasing to you. So since the seasons are to your desire, he is truly wretched and deserves to fall, who does not know how to honor and hold you dear. But your rich lordship pleases me so much that when I hear good praises spoken of you, it is to me like joy and delight and savor as to birds when they rejoice in their nests. For the courteous season they see appearing, and I so wish to see you, fair sweet friend, that I can scarcely keep my eyes here. Such an honored plea and such rich worth have placed themselves among the jealous adders. For us courteous ones, it is trouble and sorrow, but let no one be disdainful of this one thing. If rich worth cannot find place among base people, for the base must always take it ill what the worthy do. Therefore one should not fear. For your harm, friend, I am very wretched, and because my lady gives me no help, and her love constrains me so strongly, I think I will die anxious and thoughtful. I loved her badly, since it cannot fall to me, and since I cannot free myself from my harm. Now I am one who has no power over myself. And if I seem disdainful to other ladies, I so wish for her good and her honors, that her great worth should not harm me at all. For since she took me completely, I have never been against her. Rather I love her more with good and true heart, for I expect no entire joy from anything else. It will be a great sin if I turn to indifference. The great worth and the renowned praise and the sweet pleasure that rises in Marseille were warred upon by wretched traders. But afterwards the evil crime and false noise remained. Therefore you ought to have the name of sisters, for God makes you both worth more together, despite those who make my heart suffer. And I will go there where our Lord died and lived for us all sinners. And may his great sweetness help me, for he is faithful, dear, true, and pious. And let me do entirely his pleasure, and to the good King may God give strength and leisure, so that he may thus maintain Lady Vienna, I would wish to return and remain towards you, if my chastity would give me leave. But he makes himself too much